Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I want to share with you guys a very brief video of the 2018 Beauty for Ashes Women's Conference. Here is how I decorated the fellowship hall. It was very simple yet very elegant. I used the colors red and black because that is the official colors of our women's ministry, and I just wanted to kind of share with you guys the setup. We decided to use the large 8-foot estate tables and snap them together in order to create, more of an intimate setting, so that individuals could have conversations with people that they typically don't get to talk with on a day-to-day basis, or that may not be in their general scope of friends. And so the conference turned out so beautiful. So you guys know that I had to add some bling in, and so I decided to put some bling on the back of the chairs with the chair bands, and I absolutely love these. They are so simple to use, and if you're interested in where I purchased these, please sign up for my upcoming academy, Luxe Academy. It's an online webinar, and I will share all those things with you. And then in the flowers, I also added the bling brooches that are so absolutely gorgeous, and I got those at totallydazzled.com, and I love just the extra touch of elegance that it gave each floral centerpiece. And then the bling bottoms, or the bling containers that I had, got those from Hobby Lobby. And there's an up close of the bling brooch inside of the flowers. Now, I absolutely love this high heel centerpiece. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, if you're interested in where I purchase all of my materials, I can definitely share that with you in Luxe Academy, and I'll leave that link for you guys to sign up for the next wave of classes, which will take place on June 3rd. I will leave that link down below. And now also leave a description of each session that we're going to be covering during the online webinar. A lot of you guys have asked me that. And one of the gifts that I have is just sharing with others how to start a business from the ground up. And this is, I'm going to share with you all of my secrets and exactly how I got started in event planning with no money, like absolutely no money. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lot of things that you would not get in your normal type class. What I figured out is that a lot of people who are even in event planning and they're very well established, the bones or the base of their business has not been just because of a lack of knowledge or understanding around exactly what it takes to do something like this. And so I definitely want to share this with you guys. I'm not into the funnel. You sign up for free and not really get the information you need. When you take this class, I'm going to give you my full list of vendors and suppliers, how to get started in your business, what offices to go to, the startup costs, how to charge. I'm going to leave that all down below so I don't have to go through all of that. But I really think if you're interested in event planning, you can definitely benefit from this. Now, back to the conference, everything was absolutely amazing. I had the opportunity to share my personal testimony about how God has blessed me and my family and enabled me to overcome 3 generations of poverty. I really contemplated sharing that message on here, but after talking with my husband, he felt as though that this probably wasn't the best platform to mix the two. And after thinking about it, I agree, because sometimes YouTube can be extremely judgmental and people can be extremely hurtful and vengeful and write really nasty things because they're just not where they should be in life. And I don't want to take something that I meant, for something good to be, turned into something bad, and a platform for a person who in real life would be a coward to say mean or hurtful things, when it's meant to help so many people. So my prayer, and I hope you guys will pray, that God opens a door for me to be able to share with women who are ready to receive and ready to change their lives forever. Right now I'm just not sure what exactly God wants me to do with this and how he wants me to do it. But I do feel an urge to share more, but I just have to figure out what's the right platform, for that for me. So please, 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 for those of you who believe in the power of prayer, please be prayerful with me regarding that aspect of my life. So I thank you guys so much, so much, so much for your support. We are currently at 66,000 Luxers. That is absolutely amazing. But you guys know I don't like sixes for whatever reason. So let's push past the 66 and I really, 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 really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for sharing and thank you so much for supporting. It means more to me than you will ever imagine. And I really appreciate your support. I have some great DIYs coming up for graduation. Be sure to check out my kitchen organization video that I posted earlier this week if you haven't already. And until next time, oh my gosh, I almost forgot about this. Like, I'm going to do an entire how to do a dessert table setup. I have an excellent collaboration coming up with an amazing giveaway. It's so amazing, you guys. So I cannot wait to share that with you. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.